Hi, Cami here in the heart of Yuba City, and I am at Justin's Kitchen to get a little taste of what has made this place such a local hotspot. And how is it?
It is excellent.
Well,
Over the top amazing.
I love everything the food has ever done. The atmosphere is wonderful. The staff is always friendly. Justin, intelligent, friendly.
Having an Italian mom, I'd never really cooked for myself at home, but I was living in the dorms and I had to start making food for myself. As I'm starting to make food for myself, I'm realizing that food's actually a pretty cool art form. Food encompasses all of the senses all the time. I started to get really into it.
I've tried a few things here. Everything I've had here has been the best I've ever had anywhere.
I did happen to go to culinary school too. At the time, it was the #2 school in the United States, but I didn't find it all that necessary to the process. My menu was special because of all the heart that goes into it.
It is really good.
5 stars.
That's an amazing review.
Do you want to bite?
I kind of do.
We're gonna make one of the more popular appetizers.
I know what that is.
Kitchen.
Spicy edamame.
Edamame.
Yes.
Toasted sesame seed oil, rather a lot of it.
Okay.
So we're making a emulsification with sesame oil
And garlic.
and soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
I'll get the garlic going a little bit there. Our whole pots.
Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
And then one of my favorite spice blends called Shishimi Togarashi. Like a masala in India.
Okay.
Everybody has a different one. It's kind
Right.
of like that. And we're going to thicken it. Okay. This isn't exactly like the dish that I stole. We steal. We're chefs. Okay.
Okay.
But first time I had this sort of like this, and I promised him I would tell him where I got it from. I was at a restaurant in Sacramento called Miso.
Yes.
I had to go back in the kitchen. I'm like, dude, what's in this? All right, let's eat it.
Let's do it. This is so good. This is genuinely one of my favorites. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
I like the perfect salty, spicy kick.
Right, but not salty.
No,
Yeah.
not like, no, it's good.
Which it should be because it's all full of soy sauce. But I thickened it with the Yuba. Yeah.
So good.
All right.
Okay.
After that water comes to a boil, we're going to make stroganoff. It's a very fun dish and very popular. This is trim meat from the ribeyes.
Okay.
You know, I'm shaving this thyme. I sourced this super squishy, like very young thyme.
What?
That is a morel mushroom. Eat a piece.
No, thank you.
It's herby.
Okay.
I'm gonna split it with you.
Okay. Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like brain.
These crimini mushrooms that are previously sauteed so that some of the moisture is already out of them. This is fresh pasta. I want to see it. We gotta get that.
That's what makes the magic.
Yep. Some thyme and some salt.
Salt.
Pepper. Sorry, 12 bourbon, 4 roses.
Oh!
So part of the reason why we're doing that is to burn the actual alcohol off. The other part is because it actually makes it sweeter.
Oh, it does?
So it's caramelizing the sugars that are
Like
left in it.
caramelizes it?
Some wonderful cream. We're gonna reduce this cream down.
How long do the fresh noodles cook? Not as long as when...
A few minutes. So I've cooked them mostly, and now they're gonna go in here and they're gonna finish cooking. We're gonna take some of this great bread, and I'm gonna toast it up here on the grill. See how much thicker it's getting?
Yes.
And now's our last chance to make sure that it tastes correctly. That's why I got all those spoons up there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And it tastes right too.
That is so good. Did you say it doesn't taste right?
That wasn't right yet. Yeah. That's why they say never trust a skinny cook, because you know
they're not tasting the food.
I just put like 80 calories in my mouth for a taste. And then
a little more time. Oh, there we go. That was really good.
Yep.
That's the best beef stroganoff I've ever had.
Thank you very much.
This is really, really good.
Wonderful munch.
You're very welcome. Okay.
Okay.
I need to stop eating.
Yeah.
Move on to the next thing.
My restaurant got started when my mom passed away, and it was time for me to move back home. My father and I, we have the most in common, and while I love my job, it's my job to hang out with my dad, and not finding another restaurants being what I'm good at in town that I thought I'd be happy at for longer than just a couple of months, I opened my own. I am a Yuba City native. I love being in Yuba City. We're close to things that are not in town, but all the things that you might like to do while you're in a town, we have all of those things.
We have one signature cocktail here at Justin's Kitchen. It's called the Lamplighter. So we're gonna take some Irish whiskey. I've got a bar spoonful of local honey, and then I'm gonna dissolve this in here. See, stirring it.
So this is a very low-calorie drink.
Yeah. All cocktails are low
Very
calorie
low
drinks.
calorie, yes.
Super low calorie.
Yes.
They're not low calorie, no.
No?
Nothing's low calorie. Okay, so that's all dissolved.
Okay.
And this is going to get some lemon juice, fresh and
Lemon juice.
squeezed this morning. Some ginger syrup, and a shake of the standard Angostura bitters.
Okay.
One shake. Most people don't know this, but it's 40% alcohol.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. All right, I'll pre-fill my glass right here.
Uh-huh.
This does two
Do it.
things,
Yes.
okay? It works out your shoulders,
Makes you look cool.
but it also cools off the drink and adds water.
Okay. So it does three things.
Right.
You look cool, you're getting a workout, and you're getting a fat.
Squeezing the oils on top. Okay, now smell.
Oh, it's pretty. Can I drink?
Yes, it's
Oh,
yours.
yeah. Oh, that's really good.
I love the pastas, love the steaks, but the short ribs, I'll tell you what, it's perfect.
Very
The
good.
meat is just falling apart. I just love that. I love it.
Food is absolutely an art form.
It's been great. I hear there's a great brunch on Sunday morning.
There he is.
It's super kid friendly.
Amazing.
And one of the most awesome things is watching whenever you can, coming and making sure like the kids are all comfortable and making little jokes with them.
I've recommended a lot of people to come here over the years, business, associates, friends, and no one has ever had a complaint afterwards.
So just so you know, I made that with him earlier, and I can totally give you the recipe later.
Excellent.
Totally. Well, that's it for us here at Justin's Kitchen. Please join us again on another Taste of Cali. I don't know. Was that okay?
Feels like a burger? A booger. Oh, a booger, yes. We don't want it to feel like a booger.
I don't think I'm doing it right.
Well, just take a little practice, so I will take it from you. You're doing it pretty good.
But am I hired?
Not yet.
No.
No.
I don't think so. I think it's a good thing I can talk, because I'm not going to cut it as a chef. You could actually catch a buzz just eating this.
Yes, you can.